G'day, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Company in Sanson. You can see it's another beautiful sunny day in Sanson. Yes, it is the middle of winter, so it's actually quite cold. But anywho, we've got this 1991 Ford LTD Crown Victoria here we're going to have a look at. Now this has come into stock, we've complied it has a warrant, it'll be registered in your name first. It's got a 5 litre V8 engine, all the room in it for the family. Let's have a look. Now we'll take a quick look around it. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It looks like it's possibly had a respray at some stage in the States prior to coming out here. It was a Californian car. We've fitted 4 new tyres to it for compliance. You can see it's nice shiny metallic blue highlights on there, which actually works quite well with the dark blue interior. But as you can see, it's very straight. There's a little crack in that tail light there which we've covered, but she's got some nice classic lines on her. Now they do have a lot of room in them. They were a popular vehicle for a taxi and police car and whatnot in America. And look at that. Yeah, there's lots of room, and as I said, you can fit your whole family in it. It's got a boot space in it that'll fit probably a whole week's worth of baggage. Probably not emotional baggage, but other baggage it'll fit in there. There's a quick look around it. Now let's have a little nosy inside as well. And here we go, here's the interior. You can see it's got the wood panelling. Well, it's actually faux wood, but gives that nice sort of accent going across there. Nice sort of classic American Ford dash. And of course this is powered by the 5 litre Windsor engine as well, which was commonly also found in our Falcons, XR8s and Fairmonts and whatnot. Lots of room in there. Now those centre armrests do fold down, but as you can see it's a full 6-seater as it is. And there's your 5 litre engine, fuel injected of course. Now that's completely standard, there's been no modifications done on that, so if you're the sort of person that likes to modify stuff, it's a really good base to start. Well, there she goes, that's a real quick peek around it. If you'd like to have more of an extensive look, if you're interested in purchasing, you can pop by the yard and have a look at it, or you can head to our website, CWMC.co.nz. We can finance on this as well, from no deposit, and we'll have a look at a trade, whether it's a modern car or a classic car, caravan, bike, just hit us up, come and see us. We're good people with fair deals. Thanks for viewing, don't forget to like and follow our page. We've always got something different popping up.